Oh my god, guys, my veggies are being attacked by caterpillars. Look at that. That is my tomato plant. You see those caterpillars? I even saw some on the fruit. Look at this. See that caterpillar damage? Oh god. Get some greens. See, that's the thing eating my greens, this caterpillar. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about caterpillar damage. I am experiencing infestation of caterpillars in my garden. I have spotted them on my tomatoes. They're damaging my tomato plants. They're damaging my greens. They're damaging my njama. They're just all over the place. I'm going to show you how caterpillar damage looks like, and then I'm going to share with you what I am doing to try to fix this problem. Caterpillars have been feasting, basically feasting on the leaves of this njama, as you can see. See the damage? Just see what it has been doing to the leaves. So yeah, this is caterpillar damage. This is caterpillar damage on the njama. This is what it can look like. It can also look like this. You see how the leaves are not whole anymore. On this other bed, we have the same issue, caterpillar damage. And here are my greens, my amaranths. You can see how it's been damaged by the caterpillars as well. See that? Caterpillar damage. So guys, this is what I am using to control the caterpillar issue that I just shared with you. This is known as Thuricide BT. It is for organic gardening. It controls worms, caterpillars on fruits, vegetables, ornamental stuff like that. What you do is you take 1 tablespoon of the Thuricide BT, and then you mix it with 1 gallon of water. So I just use an empty milk jug, filled it up with water because this is 1 gallon. Add 1 tablespoon of this, and then I put in a spray bottle. Okay, so this is my spray bottle, and then I'm gonna go spray my vegetables and my tomatoes with, and then I will let you know if it helps with the caterpillar issue I'm experiencing. But Thuricide BT is one of those pesticides that will help with controlling worms and caterpillars. You can find it on Amazon. How do you use the BT caterpillar killer? What you do is you just apply thoroughly to the top and bottom of the foliage. And if it rains, if you have heavy rain in your area, make sure to repeat after heavy rains. You can spray your plants every 7 to 10 days for as long as your insect problem continues. It is best to apply it when you first observe it and then every 7 to 10 days. And on the label, it says that you can apply it and then harvest the vegetables the next day. The way that this BT works is when the caterpillar ingests it, it will stop feeding. Now, the caterpillars might still appear to be there, but because they have stopped eating, they will eventually die. This BT caterpillar control works, as I have heard. I bought my BT spray last year actually, but did not use it until now. It can last up to 3 years when stored properly in a cool space. So if you buy it, you can use it for up to 3 years. Find it on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Until next time, grow a garden. Even if you experience pest issues, we can still control it. Grow a garden so you can grow health. Bye bye.